Hey guys, welcome to the farm. This is Sugar, what's wrong? Well, I'm having issues with my editing, so I'm on my phone just to give y'all an update. We have 5 babies gone. I think I mentioned that in the last video. I know! Oh. So right now I'm letting them out to browse. I am going to let y'all know that this little girl, I wasn't planning on it, but I really think I'm going to keep this little girl here. Abigail, and let me see if I can get around to her. Named her Abigail, means my father's joy, and she is blue-eyed. Look at her markings. That's her mama, Chloe, and her mother gives lots of wonderful milk. They're enjoying their time out for sure. She is going to stay here, so I am keeping Abigail. Abby's already trained to the milking stand because she was tiny and I was trying to get her mama to feed her more. So I would get her up on the milking stand with her mama, and so she knows when I come with my pail, it's time to jump on the milking stand. So she's gonna be great. No problem whatsoever. I'm really excited about that. Now Chloe's son is over with the boys, which if you go back and see the other video, you'll see that. And that's her other daughter there. She is available. Sweet, sweet. This is a sweet face. And let's see, we got this going on, so we need to watch that's what's going on. You're too young, so he's not yet quite 2 months, but we're gonna start separating them from mom. That is that is oh, what is your name again? No, I'm making sure there's nothing presenting so we know for sure. Get him, Emma. Tell him it's not necessary. That is Leo. Oh, there we go. Now we got the older ones will put them in their place. You are ready to roll. We need to find you a good farm. Yeah, so he's available. That's Star's baby, Leo. So we tried to do like Star related, and his sister Stella. Where is Stella? Oh, she's over there putting up her back at Abigail. That's Stella. Aren't they beautiful? So Abby, what you doing in the driveway? Oh, there's Sugar. So Sugar's going to be going to her home soon with Stella. So those 2 girls will be going to their home. Oh, I just love your personality, little miss. Yes. And still milking my pygmy girls. They're a bit separated from their babies. Pixie's gone. You can see that in another video who left the farm. Now, here's my dilemma, guys. I am really having a struggle with letting these 2 girls go. These are my Alpine minis. Sarah is their mother, and they were born on Easter, so it's Esther and Elise. I call her Ellie. Really having a hard time letting them go. Their mama puts a lot of milk in the pail, and I like their compact, but a lot of milk. You get the benefits of a lot of volume and the fat. So Nigerian dwarf with the Alpine. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I'd like to have that line. So I just wanted to give y'all an update. I will be doing an update on, there's our little farm store. And I will be doing a video on getting ready for a farmer's market because I want to get out in the community more. And we'll be doing that. But be sure to like and subscribe, guys. And more life here on the farm. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Bye. Say bye, Abby.